Hi, Jim Rollo from State Farm. Today we are here with our friend Dan Brown from Dan Brown Construction, and we're talking about decks. Dan, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thanks for coming down,
Yeah,
Jim.
great to see you. So Dan, what are the things that if I'm a homeowner and I'm thinking about putting a deck on for the first time or replacing a deck, what are some of the things I should consider?
Well, the first thing that I open the conversation with is how long are you going to be staying in your home? If you're only going to be there for 5 to 10 years,
Right.
then maybe you build a deck, lasts 15 or 20 years, you have good quality. If you plan on staying there 40 years, we really need to think about building the deck that's going to last the full 40 years without
Right.
any problem.
Well, that's
the
a great-
decking certainly
yeah,
will last.
That's a great question, right? So how long am I going to stay in my home, right? So what's another question?
Well, how are you going to enjoy the deck? Are you going to have tables, chairs, sunbathing area? That helps us to determine the size of the deck. What's
Okay.
more appropriate for your use of space?
Okay, right. So are you going to entertain? Are you going to invite friends and family? Are you going to have barbecues? Those kind of things, right?
Correct.
So you're gonna look at the deck from that perspective when you're helping the customer design it.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. And the third part would be the fit and finish. You know, what type of color decking do you want? What type of railing? With Trex, we have 29 colors, 17 railing choices, and you can mix and match to kind of create your own design within those.
Wow, that's a lot of choices. So
It is.
So basically, you could say you have something for everyone when it comes to colors and designs and
Budget, all of
and
that.
budget, right?
Absolutely, yes.
That's fantastic. So how long have you been in business?
30 years.
30 years.
30 years.
Wow.
Straight out of high school.
Uh-huh.
I got into the trade and
Right.
and just grew and grew over the years
Right.
to become who we are today.
Fantastic. You mentioned Trex. How long has Trex been in business?
Since 1996, almost 30
Almost
years.
30 years
as
too.
well. Yes,
Right.
absolutely.
That's and they have a great name.
They do. They're
Yeah.
leading the industry. They're constantly working on new technology.
Right.
It's just a real big powerhouse in the decking
Right.
industry.
Well, and I would say that you've become a powerhouse in the decking industry too. In our area, you have a great reputation. We hear great things about you.
Yes, thank you. We try to lead all our jobs with integrity, trust, and obviously great quality.
Great. Awesome. Well, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it. Great
Thank
to
you,
see
sir.
you, Dan. Okay.